Well, boys, I just woke up, but I am excited for this one. So me and my dad are going to pick up this old Ferguson. We got it for 600. It's a tractor and shredder. We're gonna fix it up and we're gonna restore it. I'm gonna be taking y'all along with this journey with us, and yeah, let's go. We are on our way to go pick up the tractor now. Let's. This is the tractor. We're doing 400. Got it all loaded, and now we're heading home. Like I said, got it for 400. Guy wanted to stuck at his tractor. Got it for 400. That seal's pretty tight.
Probably what the fucking carburetor looks like.
And the carb's on the other side on this one.
It's on that side with the other one too, son.
Oh.
They're virtually identical. There must not be any gas in there.
Yeah, I saw him check the tank. I don't know if he was checking to see if it had gas in it or not.
There ain't no gas in there, or that line's clogged, or this is clogged.
I don't hear any gas moving around. So we're probably gonna have to clean the carb too.
We need to take that and clean it real well.
Is it a clog? Of... What is that? Is that
Fuel. But I can pretty much guarantee you the bottom of that carburetor looks the same a bit. But we need to clean that bowl real good. Put a little gas in it. Make sure that this flows. And get this clean. So that'd be a good job for you. Clean that. Get that cleaned up so we can see. Like I said, now we need to pour a little fuel in it and make sure that this is not clogged right here.
I have a feeling that may leak a little bit. I don't know.
And then we can go to the other side and make sure it's flowing all the way to the carburetor.
Yeah. Is the throttle moving?
Like I said, we don't want to mess with that unless we have to. We need to clean that. Make sure we get fuel to there. We can crack this line and make sure we're getting fuel all the way to here. We need to clean that, put a little fuel in it, crack this line, and know we're getting fuel to right here. And that'll tell us we're getting fuel to the carburetor.
Mine, well, the red one has the same thing with this. It's out on this one, but it still runs and everything. Still out. What do you think on it? So he said the head gasket is probably.
I didn't get the shredder.
We got the shredder. It's up on the trommers. We took it off. We're thinking on that bearing in the shredder's messed up. So we're thinking on taking that and then using one of the other ones. We're thinking on using one of the other ones and using the drive shaft for it and then scratching it up and painting it and selling it.
That's good. I mean, that's a nice looking tractor.
Putting money into that shredder when all we need is a drive shaft or one of the other two shredders we have sitting there.
Exactly. We have pieces.
Yeah, and like I told him when we were eating lunch, the guy said it thinks it needs a gasket, but I got to get it started because I want to obviously check it before I order it. Yeah. That gasket fit.
Okay, so we got the shredder off. It's on this tractor. The other tractor is still on the trailer. We're planning on taking it off later on when we get the parts for it. Only thing that needs done to it is head gasket. And we need to scratch it up, paint it, and then sell it. So we'll see what happens. We got them for $400. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna do this whole thing. We're gonna film it and everything, me and my dad. And make sure you're subscribed to keep up. I'll keep you all up to date on it. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Thank you for watching.